Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to help you out how to choose between interactive brokers or maybe Saxo Bank. And before starting this comparison video, I want to tell you one thing, and that is, I won't tell you which platform is better. I will tell you which platform fits you the best. Because both platforms are fine, but they are totally different. So instead of saying one is perfect and the other one is not, we are going to look at who each platform is really made for, what kind of investor can benefit from it, and which one may feel easier or more useful depending on your own goals. So I will tell you in today's video on 5 different topics that I wrote down right here with my experience, the differences on both platforms. And then hopefully, after seeing this video, you know which platform is for you better to use. These 5 topics will help you compare them in a simple way, especially if you are still confused about costs, tools, market access, and the overall user experience. Then, let's start right here with the main focus. And the main focus on Interactive Brokers is that Interactive Brokers is a global investing and professional trading platform. Saxo Bank is a premium multi-asset investing and trading platform. So, Interactive Brokers is more focused on giving you wide global access and professional-level trading features, while Saxo Bank is more focused on offering a premium investing experience with strong research, a polished platform, and access to different asset classes in one place. If you ask me which one is the best for Interactive Brokers, Interactive Brokers is the best for advanced traders and global investors, and Saxo Bank is the best for active investors and high-net-worth traders. For example, if you are someone who trades often, invests internationally, or wants more control over your orders and markets, Interactive Brokers can be a strong fit. But if you want a more premium platform, professional research, and a smoother investing experience for a larger or more diversified portfolio, then Saxo Bank may fit you better. If you look to the trading tools, Interactive Broker has stocks, ETFs, options, futures, bonds, and global markets. And Saxo Bank has stocks, ETFs, options, futures, forex, bonds, and advanced research. So both platforms give you access to many important investment products. But the main difference is how they present those tools. Interactive Brokers is very strong for global market access and advanced trading features, while Saxo Bank gives you a more research-focused experience, which can be helpful if you like to study the market before making a decision. If you look to the interface, Interactive Broker is powerful, but it's a professional platform, so it's more complex. And Saxo Bank is premium, intuitive platform with professional tools. This is very important, especially if you are new or still learning. Interactive Brokers may feel more complicated at the beginning because it has many features, charts, order types, and settings. But for experienced users, that power can be a big advantage. Saxo Bank may feel easier and cleaner because the platform is designed to look more premium and user-friendly while still offering advanced tools. If you look to the fees and trading cost, Interactive Broker has low commissions, tight spreads, and margin interest for leverage trading. And Saxo Bank has commissions, spreads, and custody fees may apply depending on your account and assets. So if keeping costs low is your main priority, Interactive Brokers can be very attractive, especially for active traders and international investors. With Saxo Bank, you should always check the full fee structure before you start, because your total cost may depend on the assets you hold, the products you trade, and your account type. So if you ask me, choose Interactive Broker if you want a global market access, very low trading cost, and a professional platform for active or international investing. This makes sense if you are comfortable using a more advanced platform and you want strong execution, low costs, and access to many markets around the world. And choose Saxo Bank if you want a premium investing experience with excellent research, broad market access, and advanced tools for managing a diversified portfolio. This makes sense if you care about platform design, research quality, portfolio management, and having a more polished experience while investing across different asset classes. So hopefully, after seeing this video, you know exactly right now which platform will fit you the best. Just remember, The best choice is not always the most popular platform. The best choice is the platform that matches your trading style, your experience level, your budget, and the kind of investments you want to make.